Hey guys, it's your Tax BFF here again with another free 5-minute financial fix on a Friday. Today, I want to kind of give you just the biggest misconception about business of all time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's talk about it. Your Tax BFF hears this too often. And I'm like, we're going to do a little 5-minute fix on this right now. Your LLC does not mean tax savings. I know, mind blowing. So many people say, well, I have an LLC. And I say, well, what does that mean? Having an LLC is just that. So I want to talk about first what it is and what it is not, and then kind of give you a little bit of background into why this myth and misconception even came into play. Number one, an LLC is an asset protection vehicle. It is not a tax shelter. Simple as that. It is a separation of income. You are separating your personal income from your business income. It is that, right? But it is not a reduction of taxes by any means. It can elect to be an S corp. You could be an LLC, you could be a partnership, you can, be a sole proprietor, whatever the case may be. You can elect to be taxed as a S corp with the IRS, but it does not get reported on a separate return until you meet that S corp election qualification. Back it on up. Most of you have your self-employed income go on a Schedule C is on your personal return. So if you have filed your personal taxes and then you are coming to an accountant and you're saying, hey, I didn't file my business taxes, they would have to amend your personal tax return to add that LLC on there. And depending if your business is profitable or not, it will and can drastically change your refund or tax liability. So you want to make sure that you are assessing all of your income when you are filing your personal return. However, if you go and you elect as an S corp, you would file a corporate return that has all of the business expenses and income, liabilities, and assets on, and then you would transfer that with a Schedule K-1 onto your personal return. So you're separating the business from your personal. However, everything gets reported under your name. If you're the owner of that business, you should have something about that business on your return, determined by if you are just an LLC or if you have elected to be an S corp. Now, putting your work vehicle, your cell phone, your internet service, any of these assets or things like that in your LLC's name does afford you 100% write-off, right? So, for instance, if you have a cell phone bill and it's in your personal name, if I'm reaching on your return, I'll write off 50% of that bill. Typically, if we really got down to it and we looked through your cell phone bill and we highlighted every call that wasn't your mom, dad, husband, wife, kids, school, best friend, unless they're on your board of directors. But we probably will see closer to 25-30% of the calls actually were used for business. That's how much we can write off of that bill if it's in your personal name. So the LLC in that case is an absolute great advantage, great tax saver, but it by itself is nothing for your taxes. And I don't care if you don't even have an LLC. If you are generating income and you have to put that on your return, it does not matter if you're the sole proprietor or in the LLC. They're going to be taxed exactly the same. But if you want to utilize tax advantages, make sure that you're doing things that can be 100% written off. And you want to protect your business and your personal assets in the event of someone trying to sue you or take your business down, an LLC is an absolute way to go. Now, for the people that's in the back and you still confused, if you just sign up for an LLC, that means nothing to your tax BFF. However, if you utilize that LLC to work for you, to maximize your deductions, and to separate out your returns, then and only then do you see some tax savings. So go get that LLC, but just having that piece of paperwork and that, that filing means nothing to your taxes. Don't get confused by that. Make sure that you're maximizing your deductions. So, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a new myth for me that you want me to go through and break down, or something that you've heard that is this real? Can this be, a real tax write-off? Let's talk about it. I would love to break it down for you.